Welcome everyone. Today I want to introduce this program to you, Communication and Data Storytelling Skills. This program, though it was designed for professionals in the pharmaceutical industry, it can still deliver a lot of insights and benefits to anyone in business, especially those working in corporate environments. The program is about one of the most important skills in the field, communication skills, including data storytelling skills, which is a major and growing competency in the business nowadays. So it's not about just communication in general, but communication that can really make people understand, engage, and take actions. You will go through 4 connected modules. Each one covers a critical part of the modern communication in our industry. First, and after setting the foundation, we move into strategic communication and its pillars. This is where you will learn how to craft messages that fit your strategy, support your projects, and influence cross-functional teams. After that, we will shift to data storytelling, where we learn the data storytelling skills and how to apply them in simple and also in complex communication platforms, including verbal and written communication. Finally, we end with leadership communication skills, and here you will learn the techniques that will not only help you to communicate with senior leadership, but will also put your communication in a strategic leadership framework, so that when you say something, people listen and act upon it. I think what makes this program different is its practicality and real-life examples. So it is not only focused on the why, but also on the how. You will not find complicated theories, you will not find difficult frameworks, you will find simple explanations, real examples, and communication techniques that you can apply immediately. The program is delivered as video tutorials with downloadable modules, infographics, and most importantly, a complete set of communication templates that you can use in your different day-to-day communication to ensure that your communication is effective, clear, and has the strategic value. At the end of the program, you will walk away with communication skills that will support your growth and strengthen your presence and help you to deliver your message with confidence. Thank you and best wishes in this journey.